What up mga solid subscribers, no? So yun guys, so meron tayong papanood ulit na guys, no? A very big shout kay Miss O, no? So ito guys, so nakita ko ulit to guys, no? Sa kay Miss O, no? So syempre, tayo po ay nakaring na notification bell kay Miss O, no? So gusto ko lang ma-discuss to, tong bagay na to, no? Yun, no? Meron daw pong nangyari, no? Recent fan issue, no? Regarding dito sa SB19, no? Panoorin na lang to guys, ano? Bigay tayo ng insights and I think yung mga bagay na pwede nating ma-share sa mga fans, no? Na mga bagay na hindi dapat gawin, no? So tara, let's go.
Manager of SB19's statement on recent fan issue plus the fans' public apology. Ms. Leia Gonzalez, SB19's artist manager, posted this on her IG story. The group photo up reminders highlighting the prohibition of physical contact, touching, hugging, and etc. She added, "Plus, we keep giving reminders even during the meet and greet. I don't know what's not clear with what we are asking. All we ask are compliance and respect. Let's do better next time. We are better than this."
Okay.
On the other hand, the
So, doon muna tayo guys, no, sa part na yun, no? So, meron ditong sinabi niya, no? Meet and greet na reminders during we asking to compliance and respect. Let's do better next, no? Kasi, meron nakalagay dito, no? For the comfort and safety of all mobile phones, physical contact, touching, hugging, etc. and personal recording are strictly prohibited during the session, no? So, meron na akong masabi dyan, pero tuloy muna natin, no?
and etc. Really apologize to everyone, especially to SB19 members and 18. Out of excitement, we hugged Beso without thinking. We forgot that it's not allowed, and we understand why many of you were upset. It was never our intention to disrespect anyone or make anyone uncomfortable. We were simply carried away by our emotions and we're deeply sorry for that. We just went out.
Okay, no? Pause ko muna rito, no? So, yun, andun tayo sa part na yun, no? So, unang-una sa lahat, guys, no? Itong part na to, okay? For the comfort safety of all mobile phones, physical contact, okay? Physical contact, guys. Touching, hugging, no? So, pagtapik, pag-hug sa SB19, no? Alam niyo naman ngayon, guys, kung gaano kagrabe yung sakit, yung grabe ngayon, as in, alam niyo naman yung virus, no? As in, iba yung lagnat ngayon guys. Pag tinamaan ka ng lagnat guys, sobrang grabe, no? Ako guys, thank God guys, hindi ako tinamaan ng lagnat ngayon. Pero yung mga kilala ko, sobrang tagal guys bago gumaling yung kanilang lagnat guys, no? As in, no? So, kaya iniiwasan nila ganun na mangyari, no? Kasi tandaan nyo guys, no? Pag nagkalagnat, or wag naman sana, pag nagkalagnat ng SB19, kahit isang SB19 member dyan guys, hawa-hawa na yan. Maniwala kayo sa akin. So, iniiwasan nila yung ganong klaseng bagay, no? So, sana irespeto natin, no? Although, alam natin guys na kasabi, kahit ako guys, pag nakita ko yung idol ko, hindi ko may iwasan na, ala yung idol ko, gusto kong lapitan. May mga ganun akong moments guys, na matataranta ka na parang, pag andyan na siya, biglang hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin naman, no? Di ba? May mga ganun klaseng moment guys, na. Pero, ang sa atin lang naman guys, na let's be mindful pa rin, no? Kasi syempre, SB19 is SB19. What I'm saying is, SB19 is tao rin naman guys, tulad po natin, no? Hindi sila superheroes na kahit lapitan mo, kahit i-hug mo is hindi sila tatablan kung sakali mga may sakit kayo or what, no? Hindi ko sasabi guys may sakit yung fan na yun or kung sino man na. Iniiwasan lang natin na mangyari po yun, di ba? Paano pag halimbawa kahit simpleng sipon lang, kahit simpleng ubo lang, di ba? Kung ano man, di ba? May tendency pa rin guys, no? May tendency pa rin mangyari po yan, no? Na makahawa po tayo, no? Iniwasan din mo. Maraming cases guys. Hindi lang sa touching, hugging, hindi lang po dahil sa virus, no? Marami po tayong cases na ba't iniiwasan natin yung mga yun, no? Mga ganong klaseng bagay, no? So I think yung Once Entertainment, no, talagang iniiwasan nila mangyari yun, no? Meron sila iba't iba pong reason kung ba't nila inaano, pero ako for now yun yung pinaka naisip kong pinaka valid na reason, no? Or pwede rin mamaya biglang may sobrang violente, masaktan. Alam niyo naman yung nangyari before, no? Yung nasa mall si Pablo and then si Josh, no, nahatak siya and then si Pablo natapakan yata, correct me if I'm wrong kung ano sino sa kanila yung natapakan or yung parang nakalmot or nahatak yung damit, di ba, no? So iniiwasan natin yung ganong klaseng interaction kasi SB19 guys, kahit ano mangyari, papakitaan kayo niya ng maganda. Kasi syempre, yun po talaga sila guys, no? So, talagang hindi nila kayang mainis sa mga fans dahil sobrang mahal na mahal nila yung mga fans guys, no? So, yun lang sa atin, no? Sundin na lang natin yung mga bagay na dapat nating sundin, no? Kasi, para rin naman sa kanila, para din sa atin yan. No? Kung gusto niyo pong mag-perform all over the world ng SB19, kung gusto niyo pang mamit ng SB19, kung gusto niyo pang ituloy-tuloy ng SB19 yung kanilang career, no, as a performer, no, hayaan natin silang ma-enjoy nila yung ginagawa nila, no. Kasi once na maisip nila, natatakot na sila sa safety nila, as in lahat, no, baka magdalawang isip na po sila, no, na ituloy yung kanilang passion, guys, no. So, pero for now, I think okay lang naman yan, since alam naman natin na tayo, at saka yung fun na yon is tao lang din naman yun, guys, no. Natututo tayo lahat sa mga pagkakamali natin, okay?
And especially to SB19 members and 18. Out of excitement, we hugged Beso without thinking. We forgot that it's not allowed. And we understand why many of you were upset. It was never our intention to disrespect anyone or make anyone uncomfortable. We were simply carried away by our emotions and we're deeply sorry for that. We just went out to unwind from our busy work days and to ease the homesickness we've been feeling from our home country. But that's not an excuse. We should have been more mindful and
Gusto ko to. We just went out to unwind from our busy work days and to ease the homesickness we've been feeling from our home country. No? Okay.
respectful. We are good humans and we are just working in abroad as OFW to earn money for our family.
Tama, di ba? So, sinabi ko to sa ibang video ko, guys. Yung mga Pinoy, pag may nagpe-perform din talagang Pinoy, no, talagang dinadayo talaga nila. Kasi no, homesick din po talaga sila, no. Na-miss nila yung feeling. Kahit di ko pa naranasan yun, pero sa ibang kakilala ko na nagtatrabaho abroad, OFW, guys, as in, nakatira sa ibang bansa, iba daw yung Pinoy po talaga. Pag nakita ka ng Pinoy, sobrang nakakamiss, sobrang nakakatuwa makita ka ng Pinoy. Kaya sabi sa akin nila, nung kakilala ko doon, no, pag may event daw po na Pinoy, no, mga Filipino organization or what na event, no, sa ibang bansa, sa lugar nila, no. Kunyari sa ano bang pwedeng, kunyari Canada, kunyari yung unang pumasok sa isip ko, kunyari Canada, talagang dadayuhin talaga nila yun, no. Gustong-gusto nila talaga nila na makita ng mga Pinoy po talaga, no. So ganun yung buhay sa ibang bansa, as in.
We watched the concert of SB19 to give support as fellow Filipinos. And to set things right, we would like to clear that we are not part of 18 Qatar and we are just new fans who adore the talents of the boys.
Ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, guys, no? Mostly yung mga ganyang fans, sila talaga yung mga bago pa lang talaga sa fandom, or I mean, bagong fans sila na SB19. No? So, hindi pa nila alam yung do's and don'ts. No? So, hayaan natin, guys. No? Lahat naman tayo, i-appreciate na lang din natin dahil na nag-apology sila, hindi sila into the point na para nagmalaki pa, no? As in, kung babasahin mo yung kanilang public apology, guys, talaga napaka-humble lang po talaga, guys. As in, nagsisi po talaga sila, no?
To SB19 and to all 18 all over the world, we are truly sorry. Patawad po, tao lang kami, nagkakamali and matuto sa pangyayaring ito. We've learned from this and will be more respectful moving forward. We will continue to support SB19. We hope for your full understanding and please stop spreading hateful comments. We are private individuals who are sincerely asking for your forgiveness. Rest assured that we will never do the same actions next time. Thank you and let's spread love.
Yes.
And with this, let's end this discussion and make this a lesson and reminder to everyone.
Tama, guys, tama naman. At least naging naman, nag-apologize siya. Hindi siya nagmalaki, no? Kasi yung ibang mga ganyan, guys, pag gumawa ng ganyang klaseng bagay, alam mo yun, for the clout, parang sasakyan pa nila yun. Like, papasikat pa sila, mas gusto nilang sumakay sa hate, no? Yung mga ganong klaseng bagay. Pero sila, dito makikita yung puso nila, di ba? Na tao lang din sila, no? So, yan, hayaan natin. Nag-apologize naman na po siya, guys, no? So, ayan lang, no? So, maraming salamat din, guys, dahil talaga, napakabuti rin po talaga ng mga 18, no? Sobrang bait ng mga 18 po talaga, no? So, ayan, lesson learned, guys. And yun, nag-discuss kayo mga pwedeng i-discuss dun, guys, kung bakit iniiwasan nila yung mga ganong klaseng moments, no? So, ulitin ko, may iba pang rason bukod doon sa sinabi ko, no. Yun lang yung rason na tingin ko nasa isip ko, no, since ayun yung sobrang ngayon, sobrang trend ba? Hindi ko tawag na trendy, no. Basta yun yung sobrang ngayon, guys, yung sakit talaga, grabe, no. So yun lang, yun, guys, maraming salamat pa ng video to, no. So very big shout out ulit kay Mizo, no, and kindly like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para alam nyo po pag nag-release ng bagong video. So this is Point of It signing out. Peace. That's it.